What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to say first and foremost, thank you all for your support on the lift kit giveaway and the brand in general. I just want to say thank you, guys. We've got a lot of orders that need to be shipped out, but I gotta answer a few questions for you guys. First, there are new decal colors on the website for you guys. They are live now. If you want any of these colors, go over there, go to the website, check them out, and various sizes are available too. We've got sky blue. We've got what a color I call tangerine. So I know I got rid of illusion purple, but I have re-added a plum purple. This looks super sharp. Also added gloss black, flame red, and yes, I did listen to you guys. There is matte black as well. We also have our standard white and green as well. As for the decals, the size is the width. So 3" is like 3 inches wide, 6 is 6 inches wide, 8, you know, it's just the width. 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. It's the width. And one more thing on the new giveaway is any lift kit on the Zone Off-Road website, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6.5, whatever is available for your vehicle and you want. If your vehicle does not have a lift option, or you have just say a car or whatever, you are still able to enter. Yes, I've got that question a lot. Yes, you can enter. You will just get the cash value if you win. So if you're a car guy and you win, or if you want your truck lowered instead of lifted, when you win, you just take the cash value and put it towards your new lowering kit or whatever you so choose. But yeah, guys, giveaway goes till March 31st. Get your entries in by then and get your chance of winning
brand new lift kit.
Thanks. Forget what I was saying. I know, but I forgot what I was gonna say after that. But I do appreciate every single one of your support. I will see you guys. I'm gonna say it in the next video, but in the garage. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Back at it again with our glossy Chevy. Remember, guys, this is a 2004 Silverado 1500. I know it may not look like one, but it is. Everything I do to this, you guys have the utmost, like, amazing comments in the comment section. Trust me, you guys really, really do. You also gotta remember that this truck costed me $5 grand. My Ram costed me 50 grand. So I'm kind of showing you best of both worlds almost here. I'm just trying to show you guys what the possibilities are with a $5,000 truck. Because let's be real here, not everyone, one, wants a $50,000 truck, two, at this moment can afford a $50,000 truck, or C, just in general, they already have a truck they're happy with, content with, and they're not worried about anything else. There's a lot of people out there who enjoy what they have, and until that thing does not start, dies, just doesn't run, transmission falls out, they're gonna keep that truck. I know how there's a wide spectrum of people. Not everyone needs to have a nice brand new truck. Some people don't want a nice brand new truck. Some people are more happy with a truck like this than something like that. I'm just showing you guys the best of both worlds here and what you can do with a canvas like this. And obviously you guys are enjoying it so far, because obviously you guys saw where we started. I am truthfully excited when I'm done with this to re-edit all the videos back together that I have done already on this truck and show you guys like the, let me see, that one we might need some more buffing on this panel and right there too, yeah. Just seeing those little scratches here, so I'm gonna have to buff this panel out. No, it came down here. But I can't wait to edit all those videos back together and just like show you guys where we started. And each little step along the way could turn into something great. Also, a lot of you do like this raw style. It's not perfect. It's not like put on like a show. It's just raw and like normal content, which I kind of appreciate, because let me tell you, trying to put on like a perfect show and getting everything good and editing out some weird stuff, it's a lot of work. And it drives me nuts sometimes. So I like that you guys appreciate and love this kind of raw daily content here. Also, here's our drip on this side. I just want to show you guys what we're dealing with. It kind of starts here, and then the icicles kind of come down here, and then we got one drip that dripped off of the body line, not in the body line, off the body line down to here. So we got a little bit of drippage here off the handle and up. So that's what we're dealing with. A lot of peel. I guess before we get to sanding, and I can finally shut my mouth and sand a little bit, I know there's a lot of professional painters out there. Do booth temps affect this? So because this garage is, the first time I shot it, obviously got a little heater running, but I'm guessing it doesn't get more than 50 degrees in here. Do booth temps affect, I mean, I know how they affect how paint lays. Just say this garage was 70, 80 degrees like it was in summer, and I used the same thing I did all across the board, got the water trap and everything. Would this lay flatter in a warmer booth garage situation? Because I think that's what's hindering me here with this paint job is I just feel like with the cold paint and the cold garage, it lays more orange peely. I just feel like that might be it, because I know when you paint something, you go warm up a spray paint can in the sink in hot water and spray so much better. We know if that's the same case for like paint like this. So just say this summer, if I painted something else, would it lay out and turn out a lot easier and save me some time on the sanding side? Just kind of asking, but please let me know. Okay, there, ran myself a checklist here. Sand, buff, paint fenders, hood, tailgate. Done. Truck's done. Fuel pump back together. AutoZone. This thing. Got it. Cool. Boom. Rock it. Let's rock. Now, let's go. My mind's like everywhere. Let's go. Sand. Now.
So some people wet sand with just water. I kind of wet sand with a little soap and water. I don't know. I've seen both.
Ugh, okay. Little same day action here. So this is in fact Wednesday, I think. Is that the date? I don't know. Thursday. The same day this video is going up. But we've got this door sanded. Last night I was out here pretty late and I sanded the whole thing down pretty flat across the board. So other than that, this is pretty sanded. I'm gonna buff this and then do the roof real quick. The roof isn't bad at all. There's barely any peel. I don't know why that happens. But roof is good. Just gonna kind of sand and polish the back of the cab, really get it really shiny to match the rest of the truck. And I don't even gotta really focus on the middle and up front because you don't see it, but there's hardly any peel or anything up there. It's quite dusty right now, but yeah, she looks pretty good. The top looks darn good compared to like this. So needs minimal work up there.
The rest of it, this is actually only at 1,000, so I'm gonna hit it with 2 and 3 really quick, and then you'll catch me buffing.
This door looks really, really good. It's all cut, not polished yet. I'm gonna polish it out. There's a couple like hazy spots still. Hopefully when I polish it, it'll come out. I don't want to cut it again, but
Here she is. She's looking really sharp.
and really good for that matter.
Honestly, this color is pretty darn cool. Can't wait to really get it all on the truck for that matter, but dang, she's looking great.
Well,
well, guys. Our cab is done. Look at the roof. Oops, sorry. Roof, shiny, buffed. Door, shiny, buffed. Back of the cab here. Obviously that part where the bed cover's not buffed. But look, done. Incredible, guys. Hopefully guys can like hear the exhaustion in my voice, and like I know on video it may look like, oh, he just sanded, buff, polished, it's easy. It's a lot of work, and hopefully guys you can hear the exhaustion in me doing this project. So just know that. Is it possible to take on projects like this yourself? Yes. Is it a lot of work? Yes. So don't think you're just going to do it. It'll be quick and easy. Yes, I know there are some things I've been doing in this paint job process that have made me take like a lot of extra time than I should have, but it does look good. It looks so good. Next video, I know Katie said she wanted to paint something. I wanted to do, honestly, both fenders, the hood and the tailgate, but I may only have room to shoot the two fenders, put it back together, pull the truck out, shoot the hood and the tailgate separate is what I think I might have to do. But we'll be getting the fuel pump finished, fenders painted, hood on, and the tailgate done here very soon, within the next couple days. This truck, honestly, by next week this truck should be together and rolling, for that matter. We should be there. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at that. Look at how shiny that is. I'm blown away. It took a lot of work, but we are here now. We are definitely here now. And so this video is coming to an end. Honestly, today is the same day you're watching this video, same day. I'm actually gonna end this video, edit it, and then hopefully I have enough time to go do what I need to do today, which is go to Harbor Freight and pick up an airbrush so I can fill in the spots I burned through on the other side. I might not even have to go to Harbor Freight today. I might be able to do that tomorrow and just paint these fenders. Think about it. You'll find out tomorrow's video what I ended up doing, but yeah, she looks darn good, guys. She looks darn good. So our cab is officially done. She looks super sharp. Like I said, by next week this thing should be back together. And I know, say by next week, it's like a lot of days still, but when you think about it, it's pretty close time frame. I know I should probably do the lift with the stuff apart, but the one I'm working with and kind of getting in here, just kind of waiting on it. So if you guys haven't been here before, please get click subscribe. Take care. This truck should be together very soon, and we can relax. That'll be great. That'll be a great time. My order is in for the compounds. My order is in for my new steering on the Ram. My order will be in soon for the wheels on the Hellcat and tires as well. So we'll be knocking a lot of things out here on the OG vehicles very shortly as well. Honestly, kind of want to finish this Silverado up and move on to something bigger and better. I know it's a short time frame, but I do want to drive this for a little bit and start looking at something else to do, and look at something that's a little less labor intensive. But this was definitely fun and worth it. But I know it's not even done yet, and I'm gonna enjoy it when it's done. But I'm just saying, when she's done, don't be shocked if she isn't here on the channel for a crazy amount of time, because this truck, honestly, it's just the $5 grand I spent on it plus all the upgrades. It's a bit of capital invested into a truck like this, so we can put that in something a little more summertime-ish, if you know what I'm saying. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for all your support. Again, lift kit giveaway is going on till March 31st. Don't forget to get your entries in, and I will see you guys in the next video.